Hi, good day. And now I will introduce our factory for you. This is Monica. And now you can see this is our door of the factory. And this is our mountain with a spring and a fish pool. And this is our first workshop for debugging is there and assembling the machine and doing the package. And this is our office building. The first floor is the staff dining room, and the second floor is our sales department and the financial department. The third floor is the staff quarters for having a rest and the meeting room. And the right one is our second workshop for cutting and the CNC process and the spring and the welding. Also, we can provide machines updates in this workshop. The next set is our storage. And this is the machines assembling and debugging. This is our office of purchase department. Electric department. This is also our assembly and process workshop. This is our mechanical department. These are machines almost finished. This is our samples display. These machines are already finished and waiting for delivery. The machine's color can be customized as your requirements.